Hey YouTube, it's me again, Faith. I'm making a video, particular video. My friend Cocoa says I do not sound like Cat. He thinks I'm lying. But I want you guys, to comment below and after this video and tell me if I sound like Cat or not. Okay, here it goes. Hi, Tori! Hi! Oh my god! Oh, no way! No, what? No way! Oh my! That, you did not sound like me at all. Oh my god! Why? Why? No! My Bibble! No! It's my Bibble! My Bibble. Oh my god. I'm so bored. No! Wait. Oh my god. Okay. Bye, Dory! Bye, everyone! Okay. So, you guys tell me if I did sound like Cat or not. Because I do. Sort of. But, yeah.